Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A41. So what we need is next to the phone, the pin, and the pin is part of the box. You will find it here at this place, and just remove it like this, and here we will have the pin. So move it like that, and yeah, otherwise you could use also of course the edge of a paper clip. So if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So what is very nice on that SIM tray, that you can enter 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. Okay, let's start with the first SIM card. We put it here on that position. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add a second SIM card here on that place. Also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you want, it's optional, you can add also a micro SD card. You have to put it like this here on that position. It has to look like this then at the end. And of course you can use also just one SIM card with a micro SD card. That's also possible, of course. And yeah, the contacts are below. And if you're ready with it, you put your construction into the phone. And it's done. Yo, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.